Hi everyone! Check out the Franco Sarto Jessica low heel ankle booties in Castagno Brown leather. These women's booties feature a responsibly sourced leather upper, audited by the Leather Working Group. The block heel provides stability and style, while the partially recycled linings offer soft, eco-conscious comfort. A convenient side zip makes them easy to slip on and off for all-day wear. The buckle detail at the cuff adds a fashionable touch to your outfit. With a chic almond toe and low heel, these boots are perfect for any occasion. Experience style and sustainability combined in these beautiful ankle booties. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.